Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, today we're going to be breaking down the features of the upgraded Z Grill's 700D4E pellet smoker, okay? No fluff, no filler, just what this grill actually does. Right after this.
He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
All right, guys, so now that we got our ribs on the smoker, this is the first time that we're cooking on the Z grills, so you'll see the results when we see the results, okay? But I want to talk about several features of the Z Grill 700 D4E, okay? So the first thing I want to talk about is the wireless control, okay? One of the biggest advantages of this being able to be wirelessly controlled is you're not tied to your backyard, okay? You can relax, you can multitask, you can go around the house and do your chores or what have you. You can stay inside and watch the big game, but everything can be controlled on this pellet smoker from your phone. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is the brains of the grill, and this is the Z Ultra PID 3.0 controller, okay? This is the brains, like I said, of the grill. With this controller here, you can rest assured that your food is going to cook evenly and without you having to fight the grill. It constantly measures the temperature and makes micro adjustments to keep you within plus or minus 5 degrees. It feeds pellets at a rate needed to maintain your set temperature, and it eliminates the big temperature swings like some of the older grills do. Okay, so this is an upgrade according to Z Grills, and I'm interested in seeing exactly how this works out, okay? So this grill here has a 28-pound hopper, okay, which is supposed to give you like 28 hours of uninterrupted cooking, okay? So you don't have to worry about running out of pellets on those long overnight cooks. It has a grate on the inside of it to keep the pellets from clogging up, and with the capacity here, you know, you can put almost an entire bag of pellets in here and not have to worry about it, okay? But this grill also comes with something really interesting. It has a pellet change-out door, okay? Which I wish some of the other pellet smokers that I have had, okay? If you are smoking with oak today and you want to use apple tomorrow, or you want to use cherry the next day, this door here on the back, as you can see, opens up and the pellets flow out of it, and then you can put in a new flavor of pellets for your next cook. Okay, so we talked about a lot of the particulars. I'm talk about some of the things that I really like about this one here. Of course, I just got my hands on it, so it's fresh out the box, first cook and stuff. First impressions are really nice, okay? One, I love the cabinet that comes with this, man. A lot of pellet smokers don't come with storage underneath. They just come with the wheels and the base, but the base doesn't serve on some of these pellet smokers as a cabinet. But this is great for storage, especially for your pellets or any of your tools and stuff. So this is a fantastic addition to this grill here. The total cooking space in here is like right under 700 square inches. Okay, I think it's like 697 square inches. So supposedly that's enough, according to the manual, to cook like 29 burgers, 6 racks of ribs, or 5 whole chickens. So I may have to put the space capability to a test when I cook for the office sometime in the next few weeks. Okay, the size of the grill is 48 inches in length, 22 inches in width or depth, and it's 51 inches tall from the top of the smokestack down to the wheels. All right, the wheels, the back wheels come with locks on them, so once you get it where you want, you can put down the locks and it won't roll away on you. Okay, the construction is really nice, heavy duty. The PID, which I didn't mention earlier, has 2 probe inserts. Okay, so you can monitor the temperature of 2 different meats. If you're cooking pork and you're cooking chicken, of course the internal temperature has to be different on both of those, so that'll definitely help you monitor those 2 different proteins. All right, there's a grommet hole on the side, so you don't have to run it under the door like some of these grills make you do, so that'll eliminate you from having loss of heat. All right, and shoot, that's about it. I mean, it's really nice, really clean design, and I'm interested in seeing how these ribs come out on it. Okay, so we're cooking with oak, as you saw when we filled up the hopper, and so we'll see how the food come out. We'll have a taste test, and I'll give you my final thoughts on the Z Grill 700 D4E. Don't go nowhere. All right, so the sun came out this afternoon, and so I've kind of moved the grill so you guys can get a better look at it out in the sunlight. So, but the couple of things I want to talk about before we have our taste test. One, the assembly was really easy, straightforward. The directions were great, and the tool pack came with the wrenches and the screwdrivers and everything that you needed to put this together. Okay, so you didn't need to have any tools of your own. It came with everything that you needed for the assembly. It took me probably about an hour and a half because I was taking my time. I wasn't in a rush, and I was doing this by myself. Okay, so the only time I needed some help is when I needed somebody to help me lift up the grill itself to put it onto the base. Then after that, I was able to even install the hopper and everything by myself. So great assembly. I've assembled a whole lot of grills, and this one here was probably one of the easiest there were to assemble. I also want to say that the grill itself came with a really nice grill cover, so it'll protect you from the rain and from the cold and from the weather and stuff, and keep it looking real nice for years to come. Okay, so the only thing left to do is to look at the ribs, have a taste test, and then we'll do our final critique of the grill. All right, so hey, hang around. All right, let's go ahead and try this. Very good rib. The Z Grill did a really good job. There's a slight smoke ring here, but not much. But the flavor is fantastic from the seasoning and everything that we use. And we only had these on here for about 4 hours, so could have stood to be on there for probably another hour longer. But so anyway, my final thoughts. This is a fantastic grill, especially for if it's the first time you're buying a grill and you want a pellet smoker, you want something that you can kind of set it and forget it. You can put your food on here and enjoy your guests, enjoy your company, or go ahead and multitask and do some other stuff around the house while your food is cooking. Okay, I'll put a link down in the description block for the Z Grill website. Right now, it's selling for $719. It's on sale. I think the regular price is something like $1,019. This is considered their flagship pellet grill. So, hey, check it out if you're interested. Okay, I don't think you can go wrong with this. This thing has all the basics and all the particular bells and whistles I think that you will like and need in a pellet smoker. Okay, so We want to thank the guys and the people at Z Grills for sending us this and letting us do this review. And we'll be doing more cooks on this in the upcoming months, okay? So, hey, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the Z Grill Smoker. Juicy ribs. Whew. Juicy.